A great way to work your hamstrings, glutes, and backside of the body is to do something called a Romanian deadlift. However, if you are trying to exercise at home or just simply want a very safe way to do it, there's a great way to do it using a wall. Once you brace your foot up against the wall and perform a Romanian deadlift, a couple things happen. Number one, it does lock your body into position so your hips can't go back too far. Secondly, it helps give you some balance. In doing so, you're touching both the floor and the back of the wall. This exercise is going to be performed one leg at a time. I like to do 12 to 15 reps on one side, then switch it to the other. Now, you might try to lose your balance from time to time, but quickly regain it back and set your body in position. Feet are about shoulder width apart. Remember to keep your back as straight as possible and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. As you get stronger, you can do more repetitions, or you can hold on to heavier weights, dumbbells or kettlebells, to increase the intensity. Once again, this is a great way to work your hamstrings, your glutes, and your low back. Give it a try.